What will be the result of 5 plus 2 multiply 3? A. 21. B. 11. C. 15. D. 7. The right answer is B. 11. Which operator from the following has the lowest priority? A. Assignment operator. B. Division operator. C. Comma operator. D. Conditional operator. The right answer is C. Comma operator. What is the value of 7 modulus 3? A. 2. B. 1. C. 0. D. 3. The right answer is B. 1. Which operator is used to increment value by 1? A. Minus minus. B. 0. C. Plus plus. D. Plus equal. The right answer is C. Plus plus. What is the output of printf? %D. A. A. B. 65. C. Error. D. 97. The right answer is B. 65. What does scanf %S str do? A. Reads a string with spaces. B. Reads a single word. C. Reads character. D. Skips input. The right answer is B. Reads a single word. What is the output of printf? %5D, 10. A. Space 10. B. 00010. C. 10. D. 10,000. The right answer is A. Space 10. What will be the output of the expression 10 plus 20 multiply 30 divide 10? A. 90. B. 70. C. 80. D. 60. The right answer is B. 70. What is the value of 5 modulus to multiply 3? A. 1. B. 3. C. 2. D. 6. The right answer is B. 3. If A is equal to 5 and B is equal to 10, what is the result of not A greater than B? A. 1. B. 0. C. -1. D. Compilation error. The right answer is A. 1. What will 10 less than 5 equal 0 evaluate to? A. 1. B. 0. C. Compilation error. D. Undefined. The right answer is A. 1. What is the result of 5 ampersand 3? A. 1. B. 3. C. 2. D. 5. The right answer is A. 1. Which of the following is not an arithmetic operation? A. A multiply equal 10. B. A division equal 10. C. A not equal 10. D. A modulus equal 10. The right answer is C. A not equal 10. What is 1 double less than 3? A. 8. B. 3. C. 4. D. 1. The right answer is A. 8. The result of 4 double ampersand 0 is A. 1. B. 4. C. 0. D. Error. The right answer is C 0. What is the result of 5 bitwise or 3? Ace 1, B 2, C 7, D 15. The right answer is C 7. What is the output of integer a equals to 5? Print f %d, comma a minus 5, B 5, C 0, D garbage. The right answer is A minus 5. What is the result of 5 caret 3? Ace 1, B 2, C 6, D 15. The right answer is C 6. Which operator has the highest precedence? A plus, B multiply, C parentheses, D 0. The right answer is C parentheses. Which of the following is a logical or operator? A ampersand, B bitwise or, C logical or, D double ampersand. The right answer is C logical or. What is the output of size of 3.14f? A8, B4, C2, D1. The right answer is B4. The function to read formatted input is A. Scanf function, B. Printf function, C. Puts function, D. Gets function. The right answer is A. Scanf function. What does ampersand return? A. Value of A, B. Address of A, C. Reference to A, D. Garbage. The right answer is B. Address of A. What does star ampersand A return? A. Address of A, B. Value of A, C. Garbage, D. Pointer to A. The right answer is B. Value of A. What is returned by getCharacter function at EOF? A. 0, B. minus 1, C. 1, D. Undefined. The right answer is B. minus 1. What is the result of size of integer equal size of short in most modern systems? Ace 1, B 0, C. Depends on platform, D. Compilation error. The right answer is C. Depends on platform. Choose the correct postfix increment behavior. A. X++ returns value before incrementing. B. X++ returns incremented value. C. X++ has lower precedence than star. D. X++ is invalid in expressions. The right answer is A. X++ returns value before incrementing. The correct syntax to read an integer using scanf is A. Scanf %d var, B. Scanf %d ampersand var, C. Scanf %i var, D. Scanf %i ampersand var. The right answer is B. Scanf %d ampersand var. What does put character 65 print? A. Capital A, B. 65, C. Small a, D. Error. The right answer is A, capital A. What does percent multiply d do in scanf function? A. Reads but does not store value. B. Stores value. C. Ignores input. D. Prints value. The right answer is A. Reads but does not store value. Operator percent in C language is called A. Percentage operator. B. Quotient operator. C. Modulus. D. Division. The right answer is C. Modulus. What is the use of typedef keyword? A. To create user-defined data type. B. To create special functions. C. To change the meaning of built-in data types. D. None of the above. The right answer is A. To create user-defined data type. What is the correct order of precedence of arithmetic operators from highest to lowest? 8%, multiply, division, plus, minus. B. Minus, plus, multiply, division, percent. C. Percent, plus, minus, multiply, division. D. Plus, minus, percent, multiply, division. The right answer is 8%, multiply, division, plus, minus. The puts function appends. A. Space. B. Null character. C. New line character. D. Tab. The right answer is C. New line character. X minus equal y plus 1 means A. X equal x minus y plus 1. B. X equal minus x minus y minus 1. C. X equal minus x plus y plus 1. D. X equal x minus y minus 1. The right answer is D. X equal x minus y minus 1.